Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Halor ke jingkeno jong kaseng Khasi Students Union baka Atomic Mineral Directorate bat ke Uranium Corporation of India Limited baki dang peteng ke jingti yu uranium nakani ke jela haka arpo terek mutabna jemang arjarakat khandai haka jekran kerpang bat ki kattu kanni kinong pathai khobor menteri rangba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma ulong baka sarkar jela kansa simkhia ya kani ka kam ukonrat sangma ulong ru balada ya krani halor uranium kadai ka phang ka bakta ya kayap ka em jong paiba kumta ka sarkar jela kan amaila da leiru banti yeuniu mar pokhandau nakani ka jela.
There is an allegation that the UCIL and AMD here in Meghalaya are indulging in the illegal extraction and transportation of uranium, and the NGO like the KSU has demanded the state government to take action against this.
No, as of now, there has been no such incidents that have happened, and there is no question of these kind of things happening. But yes, if there are reports like that coming out, we will definitely look into this matter. But as far as the state government is concerned, there is no question of this kind of activities, especially when it comes to uranium mining. It's something that we've been very firm on, and as I said earlier also, there's something that is an issue that is very sensitive. So therefore, it's not an issue, or there's no question, as I said, from my side, that the government would allow anything like that. And as far as my knowledge is, there is no such activity going on. But since there are reports, we will definitely look into it. And if and as the reports come in, we'll see how to move forward. But as far as my information, knowledge, and the state government is concerned, there's no question of this happening.
Recently there is the police of Manipur has recovered a packet of uranium with the seal of
UCIL
and AMD from Shillong.
I am not aware of those kind of activities that are going on. As I said, neither am I aware of this packet that has been thing, and we don't know what the background of this packet and what it was. So now that you've mentioned this report, definitely, if there's something such serious matter, the government will look into this matter.